Hi Rama ma'am, very good afternoon. Rini, hi. Chitra ma'am, hi. Very good noon. This is Lekha Mohan from GG Creations, Salem. Hi Selvi ma'am, very good noon. Sandhya, hi. Divya, hi. Thanks for joining, Danya ma'am. Lakshmi, hi. Very good afternoon. So today we are going to see lots and lots of beautiful collections in oxidized and minimum charges. It's starting from 150 and it's ending to 600, 700. Hi Harini. Thanks for joining. Asha ma'am, hi. Very good noon. So today all new arrivals and new collections in oxidized. Sujata ma'am, hi. Very good afternoon. So which I am wearing the set. This is only for 460 with the earrings. I have totally 7 colors I have in this now. Hi Ramya. Wait பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தோம். Oh okay Sandhya. Sorry கொஞ்சம் late ஆயிடுச்சு. Half an hour late ஆயிடுச்சு. Sugantha ma'am, welcome. Yesterday order dispatch. Today we are dispatching all the yesterday's orders ma'am. You will get the tracking ID tomorrow morning. Thank you Sandhya for your beautiful hearts. So tomorrow morning you will be getting the tracking ID. Hi Priya, welcome. Hi Lavanya, very good noon ma. So I'll start with the live. 2 more minutes. Start பண்ணிடலாம். இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் viewers மட்டும் join பண்ணட்டும். So we'll start with the live. So நான் போட்டிருக்கிற செட் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஆக்சிடைஸ்ல full pearls போட்டிருக்கேன். அதோட மேட்சிங் இயரிங்ஸும். So எல்லாமே small இயரிங்ஸ் தான் இருக்கும். அதனால எல்லா ஏஜ் குரூப்ஸும் இது போடலாம். So you can wear for traditional wear also and also western wear you can wear this jewelry. Hi Nasrin, Chaitra ma'am, hi. Very good noon. Thanks for joining ma'am. Nirmala ma'am, hi ma'am. Special in today's live. Yeah, today all are special items ma'am. Super duper pieces for today's collections. Yeah, I had my breakfast, Mamata ma'am. Hi Niveda. Kavita ma'am, hi. Very good noon. Okay, I'll start with the live now. So I have lots and lots of beautiful colors in this. This is a full pearl which I am wearing and the matching earrings. I have bottle green, pure black. I have sky sea blue and I have ruby with green and I have full ruby and ink blue. Gold polish semi bridal set I want. Sujata ma'am, நீங்க WhatsApp பண்ணுங்க நான் semi bridal set உங்களுக்கு எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு அனுப்பி விடுறேன். Pictures அனுப்பி விடுறேன். So this is the pearls. இது இன்னொரு பீஸ் கீழ போயிடுச்சா? So the same piece which I am wearing, this is a blue color. See the beautiful piece and it's full of beautiful ink blue. Ink blue ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். மேல full of pearls வந்து fix பண்ணிருக்காங்க. கீழ full of pearls hang பண்ணிருக்கு. This is the blue color. So this will be the height. உங்களுக்கு ஷார்ட்டா வேணா ஷார்ட்டா பண்ணிக்கலாம். லாங்கா வேணா நீங்க லாங்கா மேட்ச் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Now உங்களுக்கு adjustable chain கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. You will be getting adjustable chains in this. So this is the piece you get. So I'll show the colors. Hi Shreya ma'am. Nice. Thank you Shreya ma'am. So this is a very beautiful blue color. It's a ink blue with a lovely earrings. This is 460 rupees ma'am. 460. 460 only. You can take a screenshot and come to my WhatsApp number. So next comes with the ruby. This is a lovely ruby. This is also 460 rupees for this piece. Thanks for your heartens. And this is also 460. You can take a screenshot. Suma ma'am, hi, welcome. 460 மட்டும்தான். Full of ruby color, oxidized jewelry. ஆனா இது பார்த்தா உங்களுக்கு ஆக்சிடைஸ் மாதிரியே தெரியாது போட்டாலும் ஏன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஸ்டோன்ஸ் தான் ரொம்ப ஹைலைட்டா இருக்கு. So for all the sarees you can wear this now. Good noon Radhika. Okay. Thank you Meenu ma'am. So this is the ruby necklace. So in the black mari, hi Sai Sudha ma'am, welcome. So in the black மாதிரி போட்டிங்கன்னா ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். எல்லா கலர்ஸ்மே இந்த black sarees எல்லாம் மேட்ச் பண்ணலாம். So all the colors will be suitable for this black, beige color, sandal color sarees and white color sarees you can match. Receive my parcel. Excellent oxidized jewelry. Thank you, Geeta ma'am. Little late today. Yeah, Sai Sudha ma'am. Little late today. So this is a very beautiful ruby color. This is a superb ruby color with a. I have a lovely earrings also for this. This is the earrings. Parameshwari ma'am. Hi. Welcome ma'am. Ruby. And I have a next color. Hi Lalita ma'am. This is a very beautiful black color. Lovely black. Super black in this. Hi Subhashini ma'am, welcome. So this is also black, it's a super black color I have. In one parcel, how many items possible? Neeta ma'am, it's your wish ma'am. Minimum 5 to 6 items in one parcel. And I have a lovely, this is a gorgeous ruby with green. Superb ruby with green color. ஒவ்வொரு கலருமே அவ்வளோ சூப்பர்பா இருக்கு மேடம். This is only for 460 rupees with the earrings. Black, wow. Yes ma'am. Today 2 of yes Dora ma'am. Hi Deepika. And this is with ruby with green. Superb green and this is for 460. 460. Lovely pieces ma'am and lovely colors also. Hi Sujata ma'am, welcome. And I have a very beautiful sea blue. The black one is 460 Neetu. 460 rupees. These all designs, is all same design and colors will be vary. So all the colors will be for 460 rupees each. So this is price, this is also very beautiful sea blue. Bangalore full cooling ma'am, full rain. Oh, superb ma'am. So here also it's very cloudy only ma'am. When will the rain start? I don't know. So this is also sea blue. See, lovely sea blue. I want to. Yeah, we have big Jimka Sujata ma'am. You please WhatsApp to my number. So this is a very beautiful sea blue color. Shipping, yeah, shipping is available for Delhi Neetu. Don't worry. Show some mother of pearl pendant set in future life. Okay, Dora ma'am. And I have a lovely green also in this. This is a lovely green. Beautiful green color. Big size Jimkas, lot of collections are available ma'am. You please WhatsApp to my number. So this is a green color. Lovely green. So I have totally 7 colors in this. So next design I'll show. Next is also very awesome design ma'am. It's a 3/4 model. I'll wear and show the piece also. And I have a lovely round shaped earrings in that. In the inner color. I'll wear the ruby color for this. Hi Amaravati ma'am. Welcome. So next one, the next piece one, the price only for 350 rupees ma'am. Sorry, super color. Thank you Radhamani ma'am. இது வந்து ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். Hi Shanas. So this is a beautiful 3/4 model. This is full of black color. And in this too I have 6 color combinations in this. 6 கலர்மே அவ்வளோ கார்ஜியஸா இருக்கு. ஆந்திர பிரதேஷ்க்கு ஷிப்பிங் சார்ஜ் how much? Apple green oxidized jewelry available இருக்கா மேம்? ஆப்பிள் கிரீன் இல்ல மேடம். ஒரே ஒரு பீஸ் இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நான் காட்டுறேன் மேடம். இன்னைக்கு ஃபுல் லைவ் பாருங்க. ஆக்சிடைஸ் இருக்குன்னு தான் நினைக்கிறேன். ஆப்பிள் கிரீன்ல. So I'll wear and show this piece and this is also very beautiful. நான் போட்டுக்கிறேன். So this is also a lovely oxidized jewelry. It's a very thin model and it's very super duper piece. Antique Jimka. We have antique Jimka big size Sujata ma'am. You please WhatsApp to my number. I'll send the pictures for you. Sorry. We have all sizes. Hi Beauty Lekha Garu. Thank you Rajeshwari ma'am. Received my order yesterday. Quality superb ma'am. Thank you. Welcome, welcome. Mad about your jewelry collection. So much I have full of my wardrobe GG collections. Thank you Bharati. So this is a lovely earrings and this is the piece. And this is only for 350 rupees. 350. போட்டோஸ் அதுல எல்லாமே போஸ்டிங் போட்டு எல்லாமே போட்டு ஓகே 350 rupees ma'am 350. You can take a screenshot and come to my WhatsApp. I'll show all the colors what all I have in this. So you can please share your WhatsApp now. Neetu, my WhatsApp number is displayed on the screen itself. Neetu, you can go through WhatsApp orders number. So this is a lovely piece with ruby green. It's a superb piece ma'am. I'll show in the back camera all the colors. You can see the colors, all the colors. This is ruby green and I have a lovely sea blue. See, this is so this is ruby green, this is sea blue and I have black in this. See how many combinations I have. And that ink blue is very awesome ma'am. Superb ink blue. Hi Malika ma'am. Look, 8 light blue color. See, this is ink blue, this is black. See, these are the 4 colors. I am wearing the beautiful ruby color. Wow. Thank you, Lavanya. Any pale yellow in oxidized? No, ma'am. Pale yellow I don't have. So, this is ink blue, this is black. And I have a lovely green color. And the earrings also very superb, ma'am. This is price for only for 350. Earrings வந்து இந்த size தான் இருக்கும். ரொம்ப அழகான earrings and these are the colors we have in this piece. Green color. Hi Anuradha ma'am, welcome. So the height will be looking like this and this is the earrings. 350 rupees for this piece ma'am. 350. டக்கு 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 ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் எடுத்து வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க மேடம். முந்தா நேத்து காமிச்ச பீசஸ் எல்லாமே ஃபுல் சோல்டு. ஸோ இப்போ திருப்பி உங்களுக்கு வேணும்னா நீங்க சீக்கிரமா புக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க இதை. Very nice collections. Thank you, Nadia. Thank you so much. Hi, ma'am. Welcome. So next I'm going for a very awesome design. இதெல்லாமே ஒன்னே தான் நினைக்கிறேன். இது வேற அது வேறயா? Okay. So next I am going to show a very beautiful mango oxidized means. Oxidized ఈ మరి బ్లాక్ కలర్ ఆక్సిడైజ్డ్ జ్యువెలరీ మేడం. ఇది బ్రాస్ లో ఆక్సిడైజ్డ్ వస్తుంది. దీని పేరుతో ఆక్సిడైజ్ చెప్తారు. మ్యామ్ కలెక్షన్స్ ఆర్ గుడ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వేదమ్మ. So I'll show the collections in this. So these also I have a totally 6 colors in this I have ma'am. 6 color में ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. Long haram design. No Jyoti in this long is all sold out Jyoti. Only short I have. So this is a fine ink blue color. This is also mango design with the earrings. Thank you Rita ma'am. Hi Rama ma'am, welcome. Rupa hi. Yeah, you'll be getting a very cute earrings for this. And this is a very beautiful mango. I'll show the design also clearly in the near view. See, this is a very beautiful design of mangoes and you'll be getting a very beautiful design with full of sea blue color stones. Delami sea blue. I'll show in the back camera too. In this also I have 6 colors. This is a dark blue which I am wearing. Nice collections. Thank you Sarojay Devi ma'am. So this is a second color. This is a very beautiful blue. Sumati Rao ma'am. Do you have chain pendant sets? In this I don't have pendant sets Sumati Rao ma'am. So this is the earrings. Very beautiful and this is price for rupees 390. 390. Only 390 for this piece ma'am. You can take a screenshot. This is sea blue. Lovely. Yeah, thank you Sai Sudha ma'am. Next we have a lovely ruby in this. This is a ruby. And this is the earrings. 390 rupees. I like the way you present. Thank you, Veena ma'am. So this is a ruby color. This is also priced for 390 rupees ma'am. 390. அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் thumbs up heartings விட்டீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப கலர்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும் லைவ் பார்க்கிறதுக்கு. So this is a green with ruby. Unique collections. Thank you, Shanas. Green with ruby. This is also 390 rupees for this piece. 390. 390. This is ruby with green combination. Hi Smita ma'am. Welcome. Usha ma'am, hi. Thanks for joining. Next comes with the gorgeous black color. This is black. This is black color. This is also full oxidized jewelry. 390 rupees for this piece. 390. And this is the last color. This is a lovely bottle green in this. மேம் இந்த மாதிரி கலர்ஸ் எல்லாம் நீங்க பாக்குறப்போ இந்த ரேட்டுக்கு நீங்க எல்லா கலர்ஸுமே ஒவ்வொன்று எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஒவ்வொரு டிசைன்ல ஒவ்வொரு கலர்ஸ் எடுத்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். So this is also priced for 390 rupees for this piece. 390. So I'll move on to the next design now. Next will be no shipping free ma'am. Shipping will be based on the cities. Thirsty. திருஷ்டி சுத்தி போடுக்கோங்க மேம். ஆல் ஆர் சூப்பர் சூப்பர் லவ்லி. தேங்க்யூ சுகந்தா மேம். ஸோ அடுத்தது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப அழகா அது அப்புறம் லாஸ்ட். ஸோ நவ் ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு ஷோ. ஹாய் எலிசபெத் மேம், வெரி குட் ஆஃப்டர்நூன். ஜோதி மேம், ஹாய். Sorry, late joining. It's okay, ma'am. All right. So this is a very beautiful ink blue. In this also I have lots of colors in this. So in this also I have beautiful colors. This is ink blue. I have dark blue ruby, light ruby color, bottle green. Yes, bottle green red fish. Mint green and also ruby with green. So this is the earrings for this. It's a very beautiful blue color ma'am. Lovely ink blue, and this is priced for 600 rupees ma'am. Only 600. I have lots of colors in this. Yeah, தெரியாதுவா இந்த பக்கம் வா. தெரியாது, பேச தெரியாது அப்படின்னு. இங்க தெரியுதா? So this is very awesome. This is 600 rupees for this piece ma'am. I'll show all the colors in the back view, and these all are very beautiful oval shaped stones with you have lovely peacocks at the both sides and full of geometric shape at the bottom side pendant, and one single L'Oreal hangings in the bottom. So this is for 600. This is with the earrings. It's all weightless collections. I'll show all the colors in the back camera. You can go through. So this is a lovely ruby color. See the color ma'am. You can take a screenshot and come to my WhatsApp. This is ruby and this is with earrings. This is 600 rupees for this piece. Next comes with a bottle green. This is a lovely bottle green. And I have next one, I have mint green. This is mint green. This is a lovely pastel green ma'am. This is also priced for 600 rupees with the earrings. Hi Vidya ma'am, vanakkam. So idu vandu romba alaga irukku. This is a mint green, superb mint green in this. And I have one more color, sorry, two more colors. Bottle green potachipa. One more color. This is the last color for this piece, and this is also priced for 600 rupees for this piece. This is a lovely ruby with bottle green. அதோட இயரிங்ஸ் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரெண்டு டிசைன் ரெண்டு கலர் ஸ்டோன்ஸ் கம்பைனா வரும். இதோட இயரிங்ஸ் only 600. Ma'am, fancy top collection stead eppa ma'am. Saree very cute. Thank you Raghavi. Fancy tops போடுறேன் ராகவி, இன்னொரு நாள் போடுறேன் கண்டிப்பா. Shrija, you please WhatsApp to my number, Shrija. I'll show the gym. Tomorrow we will do a bit late. Okay, Shanti Devi ma'am. Tomorrow we'll do a live on Jimka's section, okay? Tomorrow I'll do a big Jimka, small Jimkas, all the Jimkas I'll do. Thank you, Raghavi. So next one, the Raihana pastel green color na podren. Black. In that I don't have black, ma'am. Anuradha ma'am, adula black illa. So இன்னொரு டிசைன் போடுறேன். இதுலயும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய கலர்ஸ் இருக்கு. Thank you, Fatima. So this is a lovely pastel green with a florence and you have a geometric shape and I have a lovely earrings also. Okay, Sujata ma'am. So this is the earrings you get. So this is a very beautiful piece only for 450 rupees. 450. Only 450. I have lots of colors in this. I'll show all the colors. So this is a lovely black. I'll show in the back camera itself. So it will be clear for you. So this is a lovely black you have. This is black color. I have ruby in this. This is ruby color. Beautiful ruby. This is also priced for 450 rupees. And I have sea blue in this. This is sea blue. Hi Sindhu. This is sea blue color. This is also 450 rupees for this piece. This is bottle green. This is a lovely bottle green in this. Bottle green. And I have with ruby green. This is ruby green. Yeah, Shubha, it's all beautiful pieces, Shubha. This is all priced for 450 rupees, ma'am. 450 for all these pieces. So now I am going to show some neck sets, but we don't have earrings in this. Adukku earrings kadayadu. So without earrings you can take this. And these all are priced for just 170, no ear. Yeah, earrings we have, Rama ma'am. Ultimate collection. How many varieties in oxidized jewelry? Thank you, ma'am. So this is a very beautiful florals and this is just priced for 170 rupees, ma'am. 170. This is the piece. 170 rupees, ma'am. Just 170. We don't have earrings in this. You can match any other jimkis for this, ma'am. 170 for this piece. And it's a very beautiful floral collection. You can take a screenshot and come to my WhatsApp. 170. Full of oxidized jewelry. Only 170 ரூபாய் மட்டும் தான் வருது. ரொம்ப அழகான piece. 170. And next we are coming with the coins, ma'am. And இதோட price பாத்தீங்கன்னா 170 ரூபாய். This is also coins. See the piece. 170 rupees for this piece. 170. And this also you can take a screenshot and come to my WhatsApp. 73977399200. Hi Girija ma'am. Romba nalla irukke madam. Tara ma'am, hi. Very good noon. This is a full of Lakshmi coins. This is also 170. And next comes இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு முள்ள necklace மாதிரி வரும். This is price for rupees 150. This is 150 rupees for this piece. Low budget collection. Yeah, Ranjita ma'am. This is 150 rupees. 150 for this piece. So next I am going to show a Chandbali pattern. This is also very awesome ma'am. Superb design. இதுலயும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய கலர்ஸ் இருக்கு. I have sea blue, bottle green, ink blue, ruby green. Only 4 colors. I have 4 colors in this ma'am. 4 கலருமே அவ்வளோ சூப்பர்பா இருக்கு. இயரிங்ஸ் ஓடவே இருக்கு. With the earrings it is priced for 300 rupees ma'am. Only 300 rupees. You can take a screenshot and come to my WhatsApp number. I mean, the minimum 3 to 4 pieces எடுங்க மேடம், எடுத்தாதான் shipping பண்ண முடியும். Okay. So this is a fine, beautiful piece, and we have a lovely earrings with a small size. This is for 300 ma'am. 300 rupees ku chance illa romba alaga irukum. Yeah, Anjali ma'am, thank you so much. So this is 300. I'll show in the back camera all the colors ma'am. So this is ruby green. Lovely. Hi Kalai. This is ruby green. This is with Chandbali pattern with pearls. Ma'am, naki Tamil Radu, only Telugu, Kannada, I'm in Bangalore. No worries, madam. Hi, Ashwini. Just now received the parcel. It's very nice, madam. Please, Ashwini, you please take a picture and send the pendant set, ma'am. So this is very lovely green, bottle green. Superb piece. It's a lovely bottle green. This is bottle green. And this is a very beautiful ink blue. This is an ink blue and it's a lovely floral design. This is all priced for rupees 300 rupees ma'am. 300 ரூபாய் மட்டும் தான் வருது. ரொம்ப அழகான பீஸ். Thank you Sujata ma'am. So next வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப அழகான collection with the florals ஓட இருக்கு. So this is also very beautiful and it's very budget friendly too. And this is priced for rupees only 450. 450. Ma'am, if we take 5 piece, what's the only one shipping ma'am. Over piece க்கு தனியா shipping வராது. All for all the 5 pieces you will be charged for only 150 within 150. ரொம்ப அழகான jewelry. Thank you Rama ma'am. Hi Srija. So it's ரொம்ப cute இருக்கும் like this. So it's a very very awesome beautiful with ruby green combination and this is priced for 450 rupees with the earrings. This is the earrings. 450. This is lovely piece now. Superb இருக்கு. 5 கலருமே அவ்வளோ பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா இருக்கு. I have 5 colors in this. பார்க்க அழகாக இருக்கிறது. Thank you ma'am. So this is lovely piece and this is priced for 450 rupees. I'll show all the colors in the back camera. This is ruby green. 450 rupees. This is bottle green. This is also 450 rupees. Green color. And I have a lovely white in this. This is white color. This is also 450. And I have a lovely black in this. This is black color. Thank you, Meenu ma'am. And I have lovely ruby in this. This is for 450 rupees with the earrings. Ruby color. So this is all 450. Deepashri. Deepashri. இந்த ரெண்டு ட்ரே அது ரெண்டு ஆ தேங்க்யூ. So next comes with the 3/4 model we are going to show. This is also a 3/4 model. This is a floral collection now. See the piece. It looks like this. And this is with the earrings you will be getting for only 320. 320 rupees for this piece. This is the earrings. Superb, illa? Romba alaga irukku. I love this piece now. It's a new arrival this also. So I'll show the design in the back camera. You can take a screenshot. All colors are very lovely. See the color combination. And see the floral design. Come on. And this is the earrings. This is price for 320 ma'am. 320. Sunday shop illa madam leave. இந்த பீஸ் தான் நான் பாக்கெட்ல இல்லை. அப்புறம் இன்னொரு அந்த ப்ராட் நெக்லஸ் ஒன்று இருந்துச்சுல்ல, இங்கே ஒரு ட்ரையாங்கிள் பீகாக் வந்து அந்த நெக்லஸ் எடுத்து வைக்கல. டிஸ்பிளே ஒரு நெக்லஸ் எடுத்து வைக்கல. 2 பேக்கெட் வேறு வேறு பாக்ஸ் இருந்துச்சுன்னு சொன்னாங்கல்ல. OX 2 OX 3லையும் 2 பிரிச்சு இருக்கு. அது பீஸே வரல டிஸ்பிளே. பீஸ் இந்த பீஸ் வரல மேம். சண்டே ஷாப் இல்ல மேடம். சண்டே ஷாப் லீவுங்க மேடம். இது போட்டோ எடுக்கல மேடம். இது இந்த பீஸ் தான் புதுசுன்னு சொன்னேன் இல்லை 3 பீஸ் நம்ம காட்டலன்ட்டு. இது புதுசு போட்டோ எடுத்துட்டாங்களான்னு கேள்வி. எடுத்துட்டாளா? ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் 320. This is ruby color. So height will be coming with this. So this is the height you get. Where is your shop address? This is in Salem ma'am, backside to Ramakrishna Park. You please WhatsApp to my number. I'll send the business card also. You can go through the address. This is lovely. This is awesome mist beginning of life joining now. Awesome upstairs. Yeah Gayatri, these all are very lovely pieces. I am wearing the full green color ma. This is green color. Hi Vani. And this is ruby color. Second color. This is second. And this is very beautiful sea blue. This is sea blue color. Ma'am, I don't have purple color in this Vidya ma'am. This is a very beautiful sea blue. And this is also priced for 320 rupees for this piece. 320. This is a very beautiful sea blue color. Aqua blue sollalam, sea blue sollalam. All the colors I am showing Geeta ma'am. One sec, you please stay connected, okay? And I have black in this. This is black color. And black color earrings. This is black color earrings. This is also priced for 320. 320. And I have 2 more colors. That is, one is ruby with green and one is ink blue. This is ruby with green color. And I have one more color in this. This is blue color ma'am. I have lovely blue in this. So these are the colors I have. Totally I have 8 colors in this ma'am. 8 colors mein romba beautiful ah irukku. So idu pathina ungalku short haram mariye vandrum. Ungalku length vandu you will be getting this much length. To the chest level you will get. You can adjust the height also. நான் இது வந்து லாஸ்ட் ஹூக்ல தான் போட்டிருக்கேன். நீங்க எவ்வளவு வேணுமோ நீங்க அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். This is a lovely piece with the earrings and it's just for 320. It's a beautiful piece for 320. Lovely piece. So எல்லா கலருமே ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. You can take a screenshot and come to my WhatsApp. So I'll show other design now. அடுத்த டிசைன் போயிடலாம். தீபஸ்ரீ இரு வரா. I want the blue please book. நான் எதா இருந்தாலும் நீங்க புக்கிங்ஸ் எல்லாமே வாட்ஸ்அப்க்கு பண்ணிடுங்க மேடம். இங்க லைவ்ல எதுவும் நீங்க சொல்லவே வேண்டாம், ஏன்னா எனக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்காது. ஸோ நீங்க எது இருந்தாலும் எனக்கு வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணிடுங்க, ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட்டோட வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ அப்படி நீங்க வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணீங்கன்னா தான் உங்க நம்பரோட அவங்க ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வைப்பாங்க. ஸோ இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா திஸ் இஸ் ஆல்சோ லவ்லி கலர் வித் பீகாக். இது வந்து 3/4 மாடல்ல தான் இருக்கும். Nice, super. Thank you. Send to your WhatsApp include ma'am. Ma'am, minimum 3 to 4 pieces, ma'am. So இது யாரா இருந்தாலும் சிங்கிள் பீஸ் போடாதீங்க. சிங்கிள் பீஸ்க்கு எங்களால் ஷிப்பிங் பண்ண முடியாது. மினிமம் 3 to 4 pieces நீங்க புக் பண்ணீங்கன்னா எங்களுக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கும் ஷிப்பிங் பண்ண. ஸோ டேமேஜஸ் எதுவும் இல்லாம வர்றதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு சான்சஸ் இருக்கு. So hi Jyoti, welcome. இது வைக்கல தானே? ஆமா, அத்தனை பேர் இருந்தாலே குழப்பம் தான் ஆகும். 2 பேர் இருந்தீங்கன்னா சரியா இருக்கும். So this is the earrings. More you show type of jewelry, more my list gets bigger. Okay Gayatri. So this is a lovely earrings and it's a very beautiful peacock ma'am. Peacock வந்து இந்த இதுல வரது ரொம்ப rare தான். சூப்பர்பா இருக்கும் பாருங்க. This is with the earrings. I have lots of colors in this. So this is I am wearing the sea blue ma'am. I am wearing sea blue and I have the same piece in ink blue also. This is ink blue. Hi Amira, welcome. Sunita ma'am, hi. Anusha, hi. Very good afternoon. This is ink blue I have in this. I'll show the colors in the back camera. See, I have blue in this and I have ruby in this. So these are the colors we have. And I have black in this. And also I have same in ruby green. So these are the colors. You carry these every day. Oh wow, thank you Gayatri. So this is a lovely piece and this is super duper piece and this is a piece and this is price for rupees 450 rupees now. 450 450 and this is also very beautiful piece. So இது எல்லாமே கண்ணை மூடிட்டு வாங்கலாம் மேடம், அவ்வளவு சூப்பர்பா இருக்கு. Hi Saranya, you are looking pretty. Thank you Saranya, love you too. I'm asking apple green color. I don't have apple green ma'am. What can I do? I don't have. இதுல மெயினா வரதே ஒரு 7 கலர்ஸ் தான் மேடம், அதுக்கு மேல கலர்ஸே இதுல இல்ல. So next also 3/4 model. I'll wear the black color matching for my saree. So it was lovely. அது போட்டாச்சு. நீ இது ரெண்டு தான் போடு. இந்த ரெண்டு அது ஒன்று. அதுவும் போட்டாச்சு. Nice collections. Thank you Amira. So this is a lovely piece. This is also 3/4 model with a round shape. It's a geometric shape with the beautiful earrings I have. This is priced for 390 rupees ma'am. 390 only. So this is the earrings for us. 390 rupees. This is a beautiful black color. Lovely black. I'll show the colors in this and the design also you can see the clearly. See it clearly. Only for 390 ma'am. Note it down. This is a lovely blue color. Oxidized with ink blue. This is 390 rupees ma'am. 390 mattumda. Blue color. And this is a lovely combo. Ruby with pearls ma'am. இது வந்து ரெண்டு காம்போ இருக்கு பாருங்க. pearls-உம் இருக்கு, ruby-ம் இருக்கு. Superb collections. Thank you Manjula ma'am. This is also 390 rupees ma'am. 390 for this piece. And in the same piece, I have full ruby also in this. Full ruby. All are awesome and budget friendly. Yeah, ma'am. And this is ruby green. So these are the lovely colors and pearls வந்து அழகா fix பண்ணிருக்கும். You can see the height which I am wearing. So this will be the height you will be getting in this. Super piece with the earrings. You can take a screenshot like this with the earrings. நான் சுத்தமா வெயிட்டே இல்லை மேடம். நான் இயரிங்ஸ் போட்ட மாதிரியே இல்லை என்னோட காதுல. அவ்வளோ அழகா இருக்கு. இந்த 2 ட்ரே எடுத்து தரீங்களா மேம்? எனக்கு உங்க சாரி தான் வேணும் பிகாஸ் மை ஃபேவரட் கலர் அண்ட் சிம்பிளி சூப்பர். பெஸ்ட் பிரைஸ். தேங்க்யூ கவிதா. ஸோ அடுத்தது வந்து ரொம்ப அழகான பீஸ். So next I am going a very beautiful green color. I am going to wear a green color in this. Uncle inga kila irukara amma idhu. So this is a lovely green now. I have a beautiful green in this. See this green, and I have a very awesome earrings for this. Super duper earrings. I have in this 5 colors. I have in this 5 color में आप लोग super bar है. It's a super duper piece of 5 colors. Green color. And this is price for rupees 500 rupees now. This is just for only 500. I'll show in back camera. This is ruby color. Ruby color in this. See, lovely ruby. Superb ruby color. Stones parang evlo glittery irukku. You will be getting a glittery stones in this. Hi Kartika, ruby. And I have a lovely sea blue in this. Sea blue. Oru color irukku. This is a lovely sea blue. This is also very beautiful. I am fine Kartika. How are you? And this is also 500 rupees for the sea blue. This is ruby green. This is ruby green. Ruby green in this. And I have a last color. This is black. Black in this. And these are all priced for only 500 rupees now. Superb collections. Thank you, Deepa. Fine, Akka. Okay. And in this I have only one color in this. This is a lovely piece and this is with 2 peacocks and I have a lovely earrings. This is earrings. Only blue is available in this. Idoda rate solunga 310. 310 rupees for this piece ma'am. Hi Esther ma'am, very good noon. 310 rupees for this piece. Only blue is available in this. So next I am going to show the beautiful piece, and this is a very beautiful. I love this piece. I like this piece also. Adi will come. Very reasonable price. Thank you, Amira. Black metal da Esther ma'am. Buna ma'am, hi. No words to describe beautiful collections. Thank you, Bharati. Heavy rain in Bangalore. Oh, superb ma'am. Enjoy the rain. Enjoy the climate also. This is very and earrings வந்து ரொம்ப கியூட்டா இருக்கு மேடம். இதுல வந்து டோட்டலா I have அதுல ஒரு 5 6 7 8 கலர் இருக்கு மேடம். I have 8 colors in this. 8 colors are very beautiful. Hi ஜெகதாம்பா மேம், வணக்கம். లైవ్ అయిపోయిన వెనక వస్తారు జగదంబ మ్యామ్. So this is a beautiful jewelry and it's a very awesome piece. You can take a screenshot like this. See how cute it looks. ரொம்ப 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 அழகா இருக்கு. நான் இதுல எல்லா கலர்ஸுமே காட்டுறேன் பேக் வியூல. நீங்க டக்கு டக்கு டக்குன்னு ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. So I have lovely ruby in this. This is ruby and இதோட price வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா 550. Only 550 rupees with the earrings. 550 rupees. This is ruby color. And next color காட்டுறேன். இதுல எல்லா கலர்ஸுமே ரொம்ப சூப்பர்பா இருக்கு மேடம் இதுல. And I have ink blue. Ink blue. Ink blue. This is also 550. And I have mint green in this. This is mint green. Only 10 days busy ga untan ma'am, sorry. Oh, superb ma'am. This is mint green. This is also priced for 550. 550. Arthur cotton. So next comes with an awesome baby pink ma'am. Hi Padma, good afternoon dear. This is very awesome baby pink. See the stones and the stone quality. It's very beautiful color. Ma'am, இதுக்கு பேக் செயின் இல்ல மேடம், ரோப் தான் அழகா இருக்கும். பேக் செயின் போட்டா இது நல்லா இருக்காதுங்க மேடம். இது mint green superb. Yes ma'am, mint green is also superb. Baby pink is also superb. I think for live show you select sari too good. All sets suits you. Lovely and very lovely collection. Will come and visit soon. Yeah ma'am, Boona ma'am, welcome. ஆமாம் மேடம், ஜுவல்லரிக்கு என்ன ஜுவல்லரி போடுறோன்ட்டு அது பிளான் பண்ணிட்டு போனால் தான் நாங்கள் அதுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி நான் சாரி கட்ட முடியும். ஸோ வித்தவுட் த காம்பினேஷன் ஆஃப் த சாரி த ஜுவல்லரி won't looks nice na. So this is black color. This is lovely black. Hi Bhavya ma'am. And I have two more colors in this. This is lovely bottle green in this. This is bottle green. Bottle green, and I have one more. This is the last color. I have sea blue. This is sea blue. These all are 550 rupees ma'am. 550 for all these colors. So over color avlo superba irundhuchu. This is the last design for today's live. Royal superb. Thank you Krishi. So now I am going to show one more fantastic design ma'am. Superb design and superb pendant in that. The pendant வந்து அவ்வளோ டிஃப்ரெண்டா இருக்கு. அந்த நெக்லஸ்க்கே அந்த பெண்டன்ட் தான் மேடம் ஹைலைட்டாவே இருக்கு. So this is very very budget friendly also. Only 500 rupees ma'am. Hi Neelam. I missed to buy this. I will add mint green on this too. Okay guys. So this is a lovely piece. And this is priced only for 500 rupees now. This is only for 500 and with the earrings it's very cute. This is a cute earrings. I have 5 colors in this, 4 colors in this. Hi Swati, Neelam hi. So late Neelam today. I'm going to complete the live itself. It's the last collection for the live today. So this is the earrings you get. Very awesome. Thank you. And this is 500 rupees for this piece ma'am. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். இந்த pendants காட்டுறேன் பாருங்க கீழே. ரொம்ப அழகான டிசைன். You will be getting a lovely pattern of pendant. See the finishing at the back side ma'am. இந்த side எல்லாம் finishing பாருங்க அவ்வளோ cute-ஆ இருக்கும். This is with earrings. Only 500 green color. This is green. Green. I have white also in this. This is a lovely white. Beautiful white color. This is also 500 rupees. Very awesome. One is a very oxidized jewelry. Superb ma'am. Thank you. And this is black color. This is the last color for today's live. So all the colors are very beautiful, ma'am. Don't miss this never ever super beautiful collections. Hi Ganga Chinnu, welcome. So எப்படி இருந்துச்சு? How was the collections today? Have you gone through all the collections, ma'am? Super duper collections we have today's live. So starting 150 the price is starting and its ending price is still 600. 150 la start ஆகி 600 வரைக்கும் அவ்வளோ சூப்பர்பா இருக்கு. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அழகான collections. So don't miss this collections. Thank you Rajeshwari ma'am. ரொம்ப அழகான collections இன்னைக்கு. You can take a screenshot or the postings will be done. Remove பண்ணுங்க. Postings will be done in the Facebook. You can forward the pictures to the WhatsApp number. Beautiful lives అన్ని మిస్ అవుతున్నాను మ్యామ్. ఓ సూపర్ మ్యామ్. ఒకటి ప్రాబ్లం లే మేడం, రికార్డెడ్ లైవ్ పేజ్లే ఉంటుంది. యూ కెన్ గో త్రూ ద పేజ్ ఆల్సో. So that's it. Signing off. This is Lekha Mohan. I'll meet you in the next live tomorrow at the same time 12 p.m. with other beautiful collections. Bye bye.